Oh my God, I got a vintage tiff for you. So I made this Egyptian gown and the lady lost some weight. So she brought it in for an alteration. It is everything. Look at the eye. Look at the cuffs I made. Look at these earrings I made. They were meant to look like the lotus. And let you get into it. It is gorgeous. I hope they put it on a mannequin so I can get a good video for you. But this is some vintage tiff. See the back. Just a really light ombre. Belt is gonna cover up this line here. I love it. This dress was very fun.